Hi, welcome to Samsung's Video How-To Guides. My name's Chris, and I'm going to show you how to back up your files using Windows Backup and Restore Center. Before we get started, you must be logged in as an administrator to perform the backup. So if you're not an administrator on your machine, you must either get administrator rights or have your administrator log on. Okay, now we're logged on as an administrator. Click Start and then type Backup and Restore Center in the search box, and then press Enter. When the Restore Center opens, click Backup Files. A user account control window appears. As long as you're logged in as an administrator, click Continue. Now the Backup Location window appears, asking you where you want to back your files up to. You can pick from two options: a local drive, this could be an internal or external hard drive, a thumb drive, or a CD or DVD writable drive. And two, a network hard drive, if your computer's on a network. If you go with the local drive option, I suggest either using a partition part of the internal hard drive, which comes up as its own drive letter, or an external thumb or hard drive. I would only recommend using a CD or DVD if you do not have any of the above mentioned hardware. If you go with the network drive option, you need to know the location of that drive on your network. After you have your backup location selected, click Next, which brings up the Select Disk to Back Up window. Click the box to the left of the drive name for each drive you want to back up, and then click Next. The File Types window appears, asking what file types you want to back up. By default, Windows Backup selects and checks all file types. So if you do not want to back up some file types, click the checkbox next to each one you do not want backed up to uncheck it. When finished, click Next. Finally, you're asked how often you would like to create a backup. I recommend backing up your files at least once a week. You can choose from daily, weekly, or monthly. Furthermore, you can set the day and time you want your backup to start. If this is your first backup, a full backup is created by Windows. After you have your backup schedule completed, click Save Settings and Start Backup. This may take a while, 40 minutes to an hour depending on what you've decided to back up. It could take less time, it could take more. You can see the progress on the status bar, and you can stop the backup at any time by clicking Stop Backup. When the backup is complete, click Close. After you have completed the Backup and Restore Center shows the date and location of the last backup. It also shows when the next backup is scheduled. And that's it. Your files and system are backed up. If you want to change any of your backup settings, click Change Settings underneath the Backup Files button. If you're done, just X out to close the window. I hope this video was helpful. For Samsung, I'm Chris. Thank you.